Hi guys, it's Bosa. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this crochet style on myself. I hope you guys are staying home. I hope you're staying safe. I'm not actually saying that you need to go out and buy these things right now. I am just posting the video so that when the lockdown is lifted, if you're interested in this style, then you can definitely do it. I began with 12 corners that my mom did for me. Thank you, mom. They were just going to the back, and then I tucked the back in. And in this video, I'll be using the Ruby Curl in the color 2 out of 900. This is what it looks like. It actually gets more red when you fluff it out. This color was actually picked for me by a workmate, and I'll also be using a crochet needle and a pair of scissors. So I make sure to pass the needle beneath the braid, and then attach the hair to the latch hook and make sure that it's covered, then pull it through and create a loop, and then use the rest of the hair and pass it through the loop at least twice, just to make sure that the hair is secure. I also decided that I didn't want to separate my hair in the beginning because I felt like it would be much quicker if I did it this way. When I'm done, I pull the hair tight so that it's secure and just repeat the steps all over my head. So when I get to the front, it's a little bit different. I take a piece of hair and separate it into two, just because I wanted this part to look full. And then I pass the crochet needle, attach my hair to it, make sure that the lash hook is closed, otherwise it will hurt you. And instead of passing both pieces of hair, I only pass one, so that I get like a seamless effect kind of thing where my braids don't really show. I'll show you how that looks in the end, but I just pass one piece of hair as opposed to two when I am working on the front. Because the sun went down that day, I wasn't able to show you what my hair looked like. This is about 3 days later, and this is what my hair looks like. It's bouncy. I actually like how this color looks under the sun. I was very pleased with how the hair turned out. All I did was separate it and trim it to my liking, and that's pretty much it, guys. I also wanted to mention that I used 2 packs of hair just because I felt like that way it would be fuller. And yeah, this is what the front looks like. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. And if you guys would like me to try any other styles, let me know. Love and blessings. Stay home, stay safe.